Alright, this is a short video about my front lip on my 3rd gen Prelude and what I did to make it fit. Basically, it starts off with a Mugen front lip for a DA Integra. That's the 90 through 93, I believe. And it's pretty close. This is it right here, and this is what I had to do to make it fit my Prelude. So basically I didn't cut it in the middle, which is what a lot of people do. I wanted to keep that straight and intact, and what I ended up doing is I cut it at the ends. So I shortened it to length, and then I put the end cap on to make it kind of fit the design. And so that's how I made it fit. So now the corners aren't exactly the same, but at least the size is right. What I recommend here is when you cut it, if you can glue it on perfect, it works, but a lot of times it won't be strong. So you can actually use like a Bondo patch and put a bunch of epoxy, and it's on the inside so they won't see it anyways, and that'll make it match up on the outside. So here's what I did though. This part's easy. You just put as many screws as you need to make it all match up in the front. What gets crazy is on the corners, and to control the corners I used the heat gun to get it close, and then I used this little Z bracket to kind of control this part of the corner, and then over here I mounted this L bracket on the inside just like that with 2 bolts, and I did it on both sides, and this is what it is essentially. And it allows me to kind of control this part of the corner, and then this will pull in and control that part of the corner, and then the final thing is the end cap over there, which will hold the end. And without getting too crazy into it, that's how I did it. And you'll end up seeing 2 bolts like that on the front, but I don't think that looks too bad, and looks kind of cool actually, and you can black it out if you want. But in the end, it's not really cut anywhere, so it's real strong. It's just on the end caps. And I kind of go 5 here, 5 screws there, 2 here, 1 there, and 1 on the end. And again, DA Integra, and that's how it fits. 3rd gen Prelude. Anyways, keep it running.